Good morning student. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with our C coding. Today we will see about the switch case. Already we have covered all the control structure such as I will type over here. So quickly we will revise that also. Within the control structure we saw about the straight line. This is also called as a selection or decision control structure. So basically these are nothing but your simple if statement as well as your nested if. So within this, these things will be there. So this is my first control structure, that is a straight line, or you can say selection or decision control structure. The meaning is the same and the examples are nothing but your simple if as well as nested if. That already in my previous video I have covered simple if and nested if. Next control structure is about your loop. Within the loop we have covered about the do while as well as for loop. Third control structure is your jump statement. Jump statements are nothing but your break, go to, continue, and the last one is your return. So these all are my jump statement. These all we have covered within my previous video section. Today we will see about the last control structure, that is your case control structure, and case control statements are nothing but your switch case. So today we will see about this switch case. So let's start with our programming. There are various kinds of program which can be done through switch case. So let's see certain examples of it. Hash include, stdio.h, hash include, formula.h, then the main function will come. Initialize the variable whichever you want. After that, clear screen, get ch and close. Okay, now today I am going to show you about whether the entered character is consonant or vowel. This already we did with the help of our relational operator, that is a or relational operator, that is with the help of if condition which I have shown you. So same program we will do with the help of switch case. Now I want to enter the character. So over here my data type is supposed to be char. After that my printf statement will come. Through this user will come to know enter the character. Then scanf will come. To enter the character, my prototype supposed to be there C. And call your variable, that is an X, which we have initialized over here. After this, what we have to do? We have to use our switch statement. So within the switch, put your variable which already you have initialized over here, and after that open the parenthesis for switch and close it, and in between opening and closing parenthesis mention the case. First case will represent by single quote, A, E, I, O, U. And in total 5 cases I require. First alphabet is my A. So whenever you are using the case with the help of alphabet, always put the single quote. If you are using the number, directly you can put the number over here. But now we are doing with the character. So first character is my A. Case will enclose with colon sign. After this, open the parenthesis for case. Which statement you want to print? It's a vowel. So I want to print this statement. So that statement is there. Close your case also. So you can see over here, we have opened the main function. We have closed this. Switch parenthesis we have opened. We have closed switch also and plus case also. So these cases you have to go on continue till 5 times. That is a E, I, O, U. So 5 cases you have to create over here. So what I will do, I will just copy paste this. So it will save my time also. And this is 5. So let's change over here. A, E, I, O, and but if user will enter some other character rather than this vowel, we have to mention over here default statement also. So default, opening and closing in between parentheses of default, mention your printf statement, that is it's consonant. So that's it about your switch case. Now what basically we want if user will enter the character A, I want to print only this statement. We don't want to print other statements over here. That's why we have to give over here break. So what basically break will do, it will terminate this loop and it won't execute the other loop. That's why after every case we have to give the break statement. Otherwise it will print all the cases, and through switch case we just want to execute only the condition whichever user wants to execute. Means choice we are giving to the user, and according to that only we want to print the output. Save the program and check out the errors. So if I will enter some another character, any character, so A, E is my vowel, and if I will enter some another character rather than A, E, I, O, U, it is printing it's a consonant. The same way you can put over here numbers also. For example, if I want to print days, so over here I will use it integer, change the prototype over here, rest of the program is the same, and over here 1, if user will enter the number 1, it will print Sunday. If user will enter number 2, go on typing your statements over here. And it's not compulsion, it should start with 1, 2, 3 numbers. You can give any number series over here. Enter the number in between 1 to 5. So then only user will come to know, okay, which number series you are providing them. Tuesday, Thursday, and the last one is my Friday. And default we will mention invalid number, whichever statement you want. So let's start with this. Okay, I have to change these cases also. 1, 2, 3, cases you want, go on continuing that. So through this, user will come to know that number supposed to be in between 1 to 5. So whichever number user will enter, that printf statement get printed over here. Yes, I have told you it's not compulsion that number should start with 1. Any series you can give. For example, 105, say I want to start. But that option we have to provide to the user. For example, like this way I am giving. So over here, I have to specify. Type the number 105, 205, like that way. So then only user will come to know in between which series you are giving them the option. See, so 1005 was there on Sunday. So like this way. So this is a switch case through which it will execute only that block. It won't interfere other statement. So that's the use of your switch case. Thank you student for watching my video.